Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the page and notebook edge. Trim the paper to fit so the final sheet sits flush inside the cover. Once trimmed, align the spine edge precisely, leaving about 1/8 to 1/4 inch overlap for secure attachment. Apply a thin, even strip of glue or 1/8 inch double-sided tape along the overlap. Do not glob it. You want control. Press the glued edge against the notebook spine, then use a bone folder to smooth, and remove air pockets for a firm initial bond. Once the initial bond is set, you move to reinforcement. Clamp or clip the page for 10 to 15 minutes so the adhesive grabs properly. Then, place a reinforcing strip along the inner seam. Use fabric tape, Japanese paper, or a thin strip of bookbinding tape. This distributes stress and prevents peeling. Make sure to overlap both the attached page and the notebook spine by a few millimeters. Smooth the strip with a bone folder, and if needed, press under weight for another 30 minutes so the adhesive cures uniformly. You finish by trimming any excess reinforcement so the page opens cleanly. Round the corners to avoid snags. Let the repair cure for 12 to 24 hours before heavy use. Test the page gently after 1 hour, then more firmly once cured. If you notice lifting or gaps, reapply a thin line of adhesive under the lifted area, press it down, clamp, and add a second narrow reinforcement strip. That extra layer usually solves peeling. If not, replace the reinforcement with stronger bookbinding tape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.